Welcome to 302 Avenida 15, located here on Pensacola Beach. Today I'm here to give you a full video tour of our new listing that we have coming soon. As you can see right in front of us, about 100 feet away, we have Beach Walkover 24C, so it's super convenient. If you've got little ones or a quick short walk to the beach with all your beach goods. This is an original Pensacola Beach cottage. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And as you can see here, most of this deck, almost all this deck has completely been replaced. And there is so much of it. It's just wonderful for entertaining. Such awesome outdoor space here. So coming up the stairs, I'm looking at the beach walkover again. We do have Gulf views. I'm not sure if you're able to tell here. It's a little bit cloudy today. So as you can see, tons of deck space up here, just waiting for a party with all your family and friends. This home does come with metal hurricane shutters as well. Not sure if you can hear the Gulf today. So it's roaring out there. Tons of deck space here. That sliding glass door there goes right inside to the living space. Lots of natural landscaping here. So coming in, I just love this open floor plan here. So spacious, plenty of room for a kitchen island here. A dining table, awesome living space here. We have a stackable washer and dryer which convey, a built-in desk, and some additional storage as well up here. Tons of natural light in here with all these windows. Let me give you a little peek of out the sliders that I just showed you. There's also a stairwell that takes you down to the lower deck, covered entertaining space, and additional living space as well. I will take you down there in just 1 second. Such a cute cottage. So on the hallway here, we have our first bathroom. It's a shower tub combo. Straight ahead, we have our first bedroom with new vinyl flooring. There is original hardwood floors under here if you desire to pull those up and have hardwood flooring in here. The second bedroom, or master bedroom, is a little bit larger than that first one I just showed you. 2 closets in here as well. All right, now I'm going to take y'all downstairs so you can see the additional bonus living space down there. A few other things about Pensacola Beach if you're not familiar. We have a wonderful free trolley that runs the beach right down the main road of Via de Luna. It starts running in May, as well as we have the new ferry that takes you from downtown Pensacola through the National Seashore. Another wonderful perk that we have out here on Pensacola Beach. We also have plenty of restaurants, as well as entertainment venues. Live music is definitely alive and well out here on Pensacola Beach, so lots to do here, as well as, Blue Angels and 4th of July weekend are certainly big weekends out here as well. So here's the covered entertaining space down here. I just see hammocks hanging in between these pillars with some outdoor lighting, some patio furniture. Just a wonderful covered entertaining space back here. Natural beach landscaping. So coming into the studio down here, there was previously a kitchen down here, so it's plumbed for that. You could add a kitchen over here on this side. All the beadboard was just newly finished down here. You have a living area over here and a sleeping area. You could do 2 bedrooms down here if you wanted to. Do some bunk beds or something like that down here. We have a full bathroom down here as well with garage access. We have a walk-in shower down here with some additional storage space. You could take that out and make the shower a little bit bigger if you wanted to do that. So this would be a great beach retreat, an investment property. If you have someone who's looking for an investment property, this would be a great one for that. So let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing. It's definitely a wonderful location. Again, it's right about 100 feet from beach walkover 24C. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Give you a view of the beach walkover again. Again, it's just 100 yards away right there. You can have your own piece of paradise. Again, this is 302 Avenida 15, located on Pensacola Beach.